Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So in today's video, I decided I wanted to do the DIY make a friend flower using this craft paper. I don't have no green or yellow, so we're just gonna use what we have. I just wanted to give you guys this video so when I post it late in the week, you see the videos back and posting. So you know there's going to be two vlogs you will be seeing. So why not just give you this one and then we'll come back with the vlogs again. Okay, so let's sit down and relax and let's get right into the video. Alright everybody, so we're back. So I just wanted to tell you guys I'm so happy that I decided I wanted to come on YouTube and do a video for you guys. So in today's video, I just wanted to do a DIY friend flower. So I want to just talk about this and just talking all the things that I've been doing on YouTube and like why I've been enjoying since I've been on YouTube. And one of the things is that when you do something that you love and you enjoy, you can just be. There's the first stem. It's gonna be a weird flower. You've never seen a brown flower before. But it's all good, you know what I mean? So, yeah. So anyways, like I was saying is that I feel that the videos that I'm doing on YouTube, I actually will say I enjoy them. Maybe you guys are enjoying them, I don't know. But I would say I've been um, enjoying them because I feel that doing a video can actually change someone. This flower. Oh, I didn't cut it so good, y'all. That's okay. But yeah, so I feel like doing a video sometimes when I go back and I watch and I say, man, I really glad I did this. Like, you know, I don't know if you guys ever had those times when you do something and you're like, man, I really enjoy what I did. So that's how I feel when I'm doing YouTube. And I think that as a content creator, it's so much fun. Okay, guys. I should make you see what I'm doing. Let me pause this. Alright, I'm sorry, y'all. Let me show you. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the flowers. Okay. So yeah, guys. So I just wanted to just say that how much. Ooh, I think this is too big. I have to make it a bit small. I'm gonna cut one and see how it looks. So yeah, guys, that's how I've been. I want to say is that the videos that I've been posting on YouTube, I think I'm really enjoying what I've been doing, and I feel like for you guys, it's really important because maybe you guys can watch me. Oh, I didn't even make the stem that great. Oh my gosh, I made it so bad. Alright, anyway. So, yeah, guys, so that's why what I love to do. So, I've been enjoying my vlogs, and I do want to say if you guys are watching and you enjoy me, then I appreciate it, you know. Because then that's how much it shows how much you guys are enjoying me. Because when I give you guys videos, I want to give you inspiring videos. So you guys can be like, oh, she did this, oh, she did that, you know what I mean? So you can feel inspired, okay? And another thing, guys, if you are somebody that wants to be on YouTube and you want to get the understanding knowledge, you watch my videos. Okay? So just check the time. So yeah, so that's what I want to say. I do want to ask you guys how you guys are doing so far. I want to give you guys a little check-in. Make sure you guys are doing well. So, I do want to say that I do feel better than how it was last week. I was not feeling good. I barely couldn't even do my videos last week. That's how sick I was. Couldn't do my video. This is not the best stem, or what they call it, flower, guys, but bear with me. And I had to make leaves. So, it's going to be a weird friend flower. But bear with me, okay, guys? So, yeah. So, that's what I think. I should have put it more close up. So yeah, guys, so that's just what I do. And I just want to tell you guys is that I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. I hope you guys are okay, and I hope you guys are well. I do want to try my best to give you all the content that you guys want to see from me. You guys know I'll be doing 3 vlogs. When I've done these vlogs, I do not know what I'm going to do afterwards. I was trying to look for more ASMR vlogs. But you know what I never done? And I think I should talk about it. YouTube Shorts. Yeah, I had not done that. So I think one day I'll do like a YouTube Shorts. Okay. I think I'll do like a YouTube Shorts. Because I've been talking about YouTube a lot, but I didn't talk about YouTube Shorts. So I think I'll probably do that in a video. Okay. So I'm gonna almost finish my little flower and I show you it. So yeah, guys. So I wanted to give y'all a little check-in and to let you guys know I'm okay. And I hope you guys are okay as well. So I want to try to do a shorts blog video for YouTube. I think that's what I want to do next. Okay. I don't want you guys to think, she didn't talk about shorts. Now I'm gonna talk about them. I know you're all gonna be seeing tape on this. I should tape it. It's because I put it out the outside of it, so no worries about that. Okay. I wanna try to put one more, and then I'm gonna make the leaves as a stem, and then I'll show y'all, and then we end the video. Okay. So yeah, guys. So, and by next week this time, April's gonna be done. So we have like 1 more week left until April finish, and then May. So I do not know what vlogs I'm gonna be doing in May. So I want to tell you guys something. Yesterday the Raptors was on. I didn't get to see it on my TV, but they did not win. But they are gonna be playing tomorrow. So I pray for them to win tomorrow. So I hope the Raptors win tomorrow. This is gonna be a weird flower, y'all. Y'all gonna be like, what kind of flower is this? But I don't know what green. Can I finish all the green? But who cares? It's just a DIY. So y'all won't mind it, right? Yeah, y'all won't mind. So yeah. So I'm gonna finish it and I'm gonna show you in a minute. So yeah, guys, giving y'all DIY, making a friend flower. You can give this to anybody right now. But yeah, this is making a friend flower. So yeah, guys, so almost done with this. I don't know how it's going to look, but like I said, y'all won't mind anything. Y'all don't have to worry about anything. Okay. Alright. Maybe I'll put two. I'm gonna put about two more and then I'm done. Okay. So it can look nice. I'm just gonna do one more and then I'll show you it, okay? So yeah, y'all, so this is me showing you guys how to make a DIY flower. And guys, I'll tell you guys things about when it comes to drawing. Maybe you guys might be new, you might be wondering what makes me, oh, I made this so tiny, but who cares? Y'all might be wondering what makes me love drawing so much. I would just say, since I've been in school, was when I started to do drawing. That's the only reason when I've been in school. But you know what though? The good thing with me is that I'm proud that I can just be myself and I can express my personality to you guys and just show you what I love to do. Because you have some people who will think, I don't know what I want to do, and then you end up just doing it. Right? Alright. So I think I'm done. I'm gonna show you the reveal of it now. Okay? Alright guys, so other than that, that is it for today's video. I wanted to show you this. Alright, that is my DIY making a friend flower. So that is it for this DIY. I mean, I know y'all gonna be thinking like, why you tape this like this? It's because of how I should have taped it outside and I taped it this way. But what are you gonna do? I'm not gonna be perfect. That's what I do. Okay? Let me pause this video. Alright guys, so other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this DIY making a friend flower. I know y'all might not think seeing a friend flower like this, I know, but that's all the colors I had. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I cannot wait to see you guys on my next upload. My next video is I'm going to be doing a 3A head boo dance. If you guys know the song, you may know it, so I might dance to it and you guys will see it, okay? So let me end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!